Sorry folks, no wacky, crazy, or run-of-the-mill video coming out this weekend. Aww. You suck! But I do have a question that I really want to ask you. I would like to know, who is your favorite personality on this channel? Is it Doug? Is it Craig? Or maybe is it... And finally, coming in with only 17% of the overall votes, is Dougie. I saw that coming. I knew it. Alley-oop! Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is MrDougieWeasel, and with your help, I'm going to usher in a new age of good content here on this channel, MrDougieWeasel. Come on, we can't let this video out. We can't let this video out now. We gotta start. Stop him now. We gotta stop him. But even with all these odds against me, there's one thing I know I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my channel back. With me in charge of the channel now, we'll reach #1 in no time. With you in charge, this channel's gonna wind up in the pooper. Hey.
You're nothing but a piece of shit bug underneath my foot.
No, he must fight his own battles. If there's one thing I know about myself, it's the fact that I always lose. MDW, you do not exist. Looks like I won one.
Proska put foot recht durch die Brecke sabotito. Prograssa margarita monan.
Kulakum, jogonjaha, jogokomono.
Schale medun. Kabis katan malita för den debattita den.
Aiziganda yango valaha.
Itsepo, kabis katsa malipandingan.
Shalom wild.